In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export records to PDF using Gallery View in Airtable. Let's start at your Airtable dashboard. Go ahead and open your browser and sign in to Airtable if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard page. This is where all of your bases live. Take a second to make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. Next, find the base that contains the records you want to export. This might be a base for projects, clients, products, or anything else you're tracking. Click on that base to open it. Airtable will load the last view you were using, which might be a grid, gallery, or something else. Now we want to switch specifically to the gallery view, since that's what we'll be exporting from. At the top left of your base, look for the view switcher. Click on the drop-down and choose Gallery. If you don't see a gallery view yet, you may need to create one, but in this walkthrough, we'll assume it's already there. Once you're in gallery view, you'll see your records displayed as cards. Choose one of the gallery items that you'd like to export. Click directly on the card to open the full record. This will bring up a detail panel showing all of the fields and information for that record. Inside this record panel, look toward the top right corner for an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select Print Record. This tells Airtable that you want to create a printable version of just this one record. Your browser will open its print dialog, usually in a new window or panel. In the print dialog, change the destination or printer to Save as PDF or a similar option, depending on your browser and operating system. You can usually also adjust settings like layout and margins here, but the default settings are often fine for most users. Once you're happy with the preview, click on the button to save. Your system will now ask where to store the PDF file and what to name it. Choose a folder you'll remember, give it a clear file name, then click Save again to confirm. To export other records, simply go back to your gallery view and repeat this process for each gallery item, one by one, until you've saved all the records you need as individual PDFs.